Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. Today, we're making something that is just pure comfort and nourishment in a bowl. A beautiful, diabetic-friendly red lentil soup. It's so delicious and I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make. I really believe this soup is the very definition of comfort food. It's got this gorgeous, vibrant color, it smells absolutely incredible, and it's just so satisfying. And the best part? It's specially created to be healthy and perfect for diabetic-friendly diet, all without losing any of that amazing flavor. All right, so every great meal starts with simple, fresh ingredients, right? And this soup is no exception. Let's take a look at what we'll need.
So, of course, the star of the show is our red lentils. They give the soup its creamy, hearty texture. Then we have our aromatic foundation, a lovely large carrot, a small onion, 4 big cloves of garlic, and a nice thumb-sized piece of ginger. And for that beautiful color and gentle warmth, we've got some paprika and a little touch of chili powder. Just look how vibrant it all is.
Okay, now for the prep. Don't worry, it's super simple. I actually find this part really relaxing. It's all about slowly building those layers of flavor that are going to make our soup so special. First up, the lentils. You'll want to give them a good wash under some cool water, maybe twice, just to get them nice and clean. Then pop them in a pot and add just enough water to cover them. We're going to bring that to a gentle boil and just let it simmer. It's kind of magical, really. You get to watch them break down and transform into this wonderfully soft and creamy base for our soup.
So while our lentils are doing their thing, we can get our veggies ready. We'll peel and finely dice that beautiful carrot and our onion. Then finely chop up the garlic. For the ginger, I like to pound it until it's smooth. This little step really helps release all those incredible fragrant oils. Your kitchen is going to start smelling amazing right about now.
Okay, everything is prepped and ready to go. The lentils are soft and creamy, our veggies are all chopped. Now it's time to bring it all together and create that beautiful, harmonious soup. In another pan, let's heat up our vegetable oil. Once it's shimmering a little, in go the onion, garlic, and ginger. Oh, just listen to that gentle sizzle. We'll sauté everything until the onions start to get a little crisp, and the whole kitchen just fills with this incredible aroma. This technique is called tempering, or tadka, and it creates such a deep flavor base. Now we'll stir in our paprika and chili powder and let them bloom in that warm oil for just a second. Now, add in the diced carrots and give them a quick sauté with all those aromatics. And here comes the best part. We're going to carefully pour this entire gorgeous, fragrant mixture right into our pot of creamy lentils. Give it a gentle stir and just watch as the soup turns this beautiful, warm, sunset orange color. Now just let it all simmer together until those carrots are perfectly tender and all those delicious flavors have had a chance to meld together. And that's it. It's ready. The house smells incredible, our beautiful soup is done, and now all that's left to do is ladle it into some bowls and enjoy. Just look at that. It's so thick and velvety. This is truly a complete meal in a bowl. It's so full of warmth and rich flavor, and every single spoonful is just so comforting and incredibly satisfying. And what I love most is the thought behind this recipe. It's not just some random soup, it's a meal that was created to be incredibly nourishing and gentle on the body. It really is the perfect guilt-free indulgence, especially for anyone managing diabetes. And can you believe it? A big, hearty serving of this soup comes in at only 185 calories. It's amazing how something so light can be so incredibly satisfying and keep you feeling full and happy. This soup is also an absolute powerhouse of dietary fiber, with 11 grams in every serving. That's all thanks to the wonderful red lentils, which are fantastic for digestive health and play a really important role in helping to manage blood sugar levels. And finally, let's talk about protein. You're getting nearly 13 grams of plant-based protein in here, which is fantastic for keeping you feeling full and energized. It's just more proof that a simple vegetarian meal can be absolutely complete and so nourishing. So there you have it, a truly perfect bowl of red lentil soup. If you loved making this with me today, I'd be so grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to our channel. And please, let us know in the comments what you'd love to see us make next.